In business, we handle a lot of orders every day. It could be a request from a customer, a document that needs to be revised, or a quote from a supplier. With Pipefy Phase Forms, you get all the information you need to your processes. Let's say, in one of your processes, all requests must be approved by a manager. You can do this manually, or you can do this using Pipefy Phase Forms. To create a phase form, choose which phase you'd like it to appear in. Click on Edit Phase and add a dynamic content field so you can create a custom message right at the beginning. Dynamic content is information that varies from one card to another, like the name of a requester, the item they are looking for, the amount, and etc. Choose the dynamic fields that make most sense to your customized message and save it. Then, open the card you want to send to approval and click Share. Pipefy will automatically generate a unique link to that card. Alright, now you can share this form phase with people outside your Pipefy account. Every time they open the link, they will be able to fill out the form with the information you are asking for. Notice that each item on this page is a field from your phase form. The dynamic content has turned into a custom message and directed to the person who will receive it. When they answer, your card will be updated at the same time with the information they provide. Information exchange will become easier with Pipefy. Looking for more tips like these? Take a look at our Help Center articles and don't forget to join our community where you can gather together with other Pipefy members. See you there.